present here. I am Selva Silja. My team members are Anushya, Shruti, Udageshwari, Udasavi and Nemi. Now I am going to tell something about this machine. It is a patient monitoring system. It is used in ICU and it is used to measure the 5 vital parameters in our body. The next will be explained by Anushya.
I will explain display unit in this device. This buttons on or switch operating device. Menu, the patient details storing. Menu, NIBP, is a non-invasive cuff is placed in non-invasive blood pressure measure the cuff model. Recording and stop, the recording waveform, the using to futures. Silence, the exchange of the ranges in patients, the certain time of the alarm is contained. Freeze, the waveform is the clearly viewed the freeze. Main, go to the display. This control unit rotating exchange. I am Ashwini. Now I am going to explain vital parameters. The vital parameters are SpO2, heart rate, temperature, respiration rate, blood pressure. The normal temperature rate is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Normal heart rate is 72 to 80 ppm. Normal respiration rate is it's also stinky electrode is placed on the chest.
SpO2 to measure the oxygen concentration in the body is used with the help of pulse oximeter. We are measuring the SpO2, and pulse oximeter is also used to measure the pulse rate, and its ranges from 95.
Present here, I am Mahashri, biomedical engineer from Siemens Healthcare, and this is my team.
Means that you are all the doctors, they are giving demo to you. Very good point, very good coverage.
Thank you. And this is my team. The team members are Divya Darasa, Pavitra and Abhishri. So now we are going to present you the device ECG. ECG stands for electrocardiogram. So it is a device to measure the electrical activity of the heart. So this device belongs to the brand Contact, and so this device plays an important role in every healthcare sector as it is a basic one. So the next will be carried out by Divya Darasa. ECG machine contains 3 units. There are control unit, display unit and output print unit. Control unit, the input is given to the control unit. There include patient details, amplitude, etc. Control unit and out.
Now we are explain about the probes. In this ECG machine contains 12 lead system, but we used only 10 electrodes. 6 of the electrodes are used in the limbs, right arm, right leg and left leg. Red color is placed in right arm, yellow color is.
Hi everyone. Now I am explaining to this gel. It is also called aquasonic gel. And a good conductor between the skin and the electrode. This aquasonic gel is components are carboman and triethanolamine and monopropylene glycol. Carbomonomer is controlled viscosity, and the triethanolamine is for buffering, and monopropylene glycol is controlled moisturizing. This gel is also called conductor of the ECG machine. Thank you. So dear professionals, you can trust your brand and own it. Thank you.
Team members are Mr. Kasim Khan, Mr. Mahendra Bhubadi, Mr. Kanish and Mr. Dinekas. Here we are going to tell about the information about the patient monitoring system. Patient monitoring system is nothing but it is an intensive care unit device. It is used to measure the vital parameters of our body. That will be continued by Kasim.
Here we can see the buttons which is used to do our power off and on and off. Here the menu button is which is used to for changing modes, date settings, display size, screen colors, and this one is non-invasive BP. This is used for taking non-invasive BP measurements. This button is used for record and stop. This is used for stop the alarm. The freeze button, which is mainly used by physicians to stop the waveforms and analyze the regular and irregular waveform attains in the ECG. The main button, which is after all the settings are done, we can turn up the temperature that is connected in placed in the hand hole. Second is SpO2 probe is connected to the finger. Rare case of the patient, invasive non-invasive blood pressure that is connected to the cup. Next to be continued by Kanish Kumar.
The patient monitoring system working AC and DC current supplies. DC current moderate to backup to the battery, and patient monitoring system.
Power supply. The main power supply is this port. Cable will be inserted. They run. Then this place have one button. This button is for calibration. Then this we also connected with the computer. This patient monitoring system. That port is.
Team is about to explain the ECG machine. This is from the company Contact. The ECG machine is useful to measure the heart electrical activity and is also used in the ICU and also in other departments.
Now I talk about the functions and the process of the button used in this ECG. It consists of 3 units: control units, display unit and output units. The control units consist of various buttons. Each one has significant functions. The menu, which consists of brightness, contrast and other functions. So the mode button is here. It changes the mode into various, and the print is used to print the graph, which is
lead system. First one is the 3-lead system, second one is the 5-lead system, third one is the 12-lead system. 3-lead system is only used for the clamp electrodes. 5-lead system is used for extra the one suction electrodes fixed for the chest. Then next 12-lead system used for the 66 suction electrodes V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6. Then the rope electrodes fixed right arm. The red color is right arm, yellow color is left arm, black is neutral. Either right leg, green is left leg. Sit the hand to reduce the impedance to clearly pick up the signal to output of the signals showing this display unit.
Hi everyone, I am Munishwaran. I explain about principles of the machine. So already you know that SL nodes in our heart produce electrical impulses, so throw in our heart muscles. So these electrodes pick up the electrical current and send it to the amplifier. So amplifier amplifies the current, so then to record from the heat sensitive paper the output of the ECG. So already know that normal ECG waveform is at PQRS. So P wave is represent atrial depolarization, which means atrial section it will be contracted. So QRS, you know that ventricular depolarization. So which means that ventricular will be contracted. So ventricular then be contracted, then to be relaxations. So this called on the ventricular repolarization. So this machine is very useful for another machine because you can see the waveform on the display and the simultaneous.
Doubt about it, and thank you.
Thank you.
First team.
Sir.
Ajay, come on, please. Ask.
சார் பேசும்போது இன்னும் யாரையுமே பார்த்து சொன்ன மாதிரி இல்லை. எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் பேர் கேமரா பார்த்தாங்க, இல்லை கொஞ்சம் பேர் உங்களை பார்த்தாங்க. எங்களை பார்த்து யாரும் சொன்ன மாதிரி இல்லை சார்.
So please note it.